Take 1 cup of skin green gram. It is rich in protein and fiber, is high in antioxidants, is good for weight loss, for eyes and skin. 100 grams of it contains 347 calories and 24.5 grams of protein. Let's take half cup of Bengal split gram. Then add half a cup of red lentils. Wash it in running water for 3 to 4 times. Chop 4 to 5 green chilies. And then 3 medium-sized tomatoes. Chop an inch of ginger. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee, then add an inch of asafoetida. Add 1 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Then add a teaspoon of cumin. Add all the veggies. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric. Tomatoes are cooked. This is when we can add the lentils. Add 4 cups of water. Add salt. Pressure cook it. Let it cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.